All right, guys, I want to show you a pretty cool tool from Google. It's called Pomelli. So this will allow you to easily brand content for your small business. All right, let's get started. So here we go. First, we're going to generate business DNA, get campaign ideas, and then we're going to make the creatives. All right, so it's pretty quick. Let's create a simple website. I'll put mine, janeshmakesdeals.com. All right, so it's going to take just a few seconds. There we go. That's my website there. Okay, so since it's 5 minutes, I'm just going to pause and let it do its thing. All right, so it didn't take 5 minutes. It only took about 2 minutes, but here we go. We have the right title. We have the website here, the fonts that's on the website, and it did capture my profile photo here and some of the other photos I have on the site. So these are all just blog images. I don't really have too many photos on the website, but yeah, it's pretty strong. And let's check it out here. They even got the colors from my website, the tagline, which is helping business owners sell for top dollar and buyers buy with confidence. Perfect. Brand values, personalized attention, maximum value, trust and confidentiality, and then expertise. Cool. Aesthetic, corporate, modern, professional, high contrast, function focused. Nice. And then let's take a look at the brand tone of voice, professional, authoritative, confident, supportive, and then direct. All right, so then here we have the business overview, and this is all pulled from the website. So yes, expert business brokerage, providing personalized guidance. Perfect. I'm not going to bore you with the details, but yeah, everything looks good. So let's click looks good. All right, now this is the main screen. So we have some suggestions. So it's saying sell for top dollar, our 4-step process. So if you click this, this actually gives us a campaign that we can post, whether it's on Instagram, stories, TikTok. This is probably good for stories, actually. So let's take a quick look. And then, nice. Stop guessing, 4-step process. Perfect. We could even make some edits here. And then on the right, we can see that there is a image here that we can update if we don't like this image. We can even change the header here, so sell for top dollar. And then we can even update the fonts, color, sizing, the height, description, everything. So we can just pretty much edit quickly. So there's no CT here, but let's click generate just to see what that would look like. About 2 minutes. It's going to be faster than that. But you see now here, this really changes things. Previously, you would probably go on like Canva and then start making edits. But now you can just click a couple buttons and get things done faster. Perfect. Yep, this looks cool. We could even update the layout if we wanted to. But for now, let's go back. Let's check out the other ones. So step 1, step 2, and then we probably need 2 more here, step 3, step 4. But cool, let's go back. Let's check out the other campaign. So this angle is maximize your exit strategy. We want to showcase the step-by-step professional process of business acquisition or sale. Nice. And then I think they are using stock photo, if I'm not mistaken. But they might be using, let's see if this is AI generated image. I think this is stock photo, but this is pretty cool. So if they're getting stock photo, not copyright photo, that's even better. And then this is a New Year's campaign. So it does know that the year just started, but cool, cool, cool. Oh yeah, so this is using the photos from the website. Gotcha. But yeah, you guys, so this is a pretty cool tool where you can create pretty much quick stories and reels, maybe. Let's see, describe the campaign you want to create. So maybe I want to create a campaign for plumbers. Make a campaign for plumbing business owners. Just example. Let's see what this would look like. But you guys can see it's whatever ideas you have, just type it in, and then the AI will do the work. It will get you some different creatives, ideas. So you're not limited to just the photos on the website, right? We can always add more into our business DNA. And I think it's here. Yeah, it's right here. So we can even generate images if we wanted to. Good thing is that in my website, I have all these blog contents with stock photos. So these are high quality stock photos. So that's not a problem. Oops, what happened? Did it not? I don't know. Maybe this is the 3 campaigns. Let's click this. Okay, so it's still working. Oh yeah, so this is the plumbing. So this is the New York, New Jersey, Connecticut buyers. We have them demonstrating how specialized local knowledge leads to better matched buyers and higher closing prices for niche businesses like plumbing. That is true story. So nice. It is still picking up the same stock photos we saw earlier, but I think we get the idea here. This one is different. I wonder if this is AI. Yeah, I think this is AI. You can see the letters are a little weird, but yeah, let's try this fixed layout. Let's see if that makes much of a difference. All right, so it did move it up. And yeah, guys, maybe if you guys are just not into a lot of the designing, then you could just say this is good enough, download, and then start posting. So it's a pretty cool tool. I will suggest you give it a try. And this is just one of the tools that I'm mentioning in my Skool committee. So just a quick plug. If you guys are interested, you guys can go to the link. It's going to be in the description. The community is called Starting and Growing My Business. So here we're going to talk about either starting your own business, or buying a profitable business. And then, of course, we want to talk about growth as well. It's a pretty cool school. It's rather new, but yeah, right now we have a launch offer, and the next 10 members, you guys will get a free one-on-one call with me. Nice. Let's check out the quick community here. We're going to be talking about starting a business, buying a business, getting customers, systems and operations, accountability and wins. We'll also have live calls for all our members. So yeah, check out the description and visit, join today, and let's get started.